Ladies and gentlemen, Keith from iRepair Autos. Today I'm headed over to the Mercedes dealership picking up parts for many a subscriber who has ordered. Those parts go out every Monday. Usually pick them up on a Saturday, so if you want to get your orders in, send me your VIN number. Most of you don't put the VIN number in the order. Please put the VIN number in there. It cuts down on going back and forth. But I wanted to ask everyone, and you can comment down below. I am in negotiations with a dealership here to start doing reviews on their various models of Mercedes. Is that something you guys want to see? Is there a particular model that you want to see? And these are all going to be late models, 2020s and up. And I think we have access to whatever they have on the showroom floor. So let me know, comment down below, let me know what vehicle you would like to see. And this is something that I'll also show the Mercedes manager, and we can start doing these ASAP. Anyway, I hope you guys are having a great weekend, and I look forward to seeing you this Monday with the repair video. Thanks for watching.